What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making bacon wrap green bean bundles. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need green beans, bacon, garlic, butter, brown sugar, soy sauce, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and crushed red pepper. Begin by cutting the ends off of your green beans. Mince 4 cloves of garlic. Cut a pack of bacon in half. Parboil your green beans for 5 minutes. For the sauce, combine 1 stick of melted butter, a half cup of brown sugar, minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and crushed red pepper. To make the bundles, we're going to take 5 to 6 green beans and wrap a half a piece of bacon around them. Spoon the sauce over the bundles. Bake at 400 degrees for 30 minutes and baste halfway through. And there you have it, bacon wrapped green bean bundles. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.